Did you know that over 70% of homeowners believe flooring can completely transform a space? Finding the perfect balance between beauty and durability can leave you overwhelmed. But we've got you covered with the hottest 2025 trends that check every box. Let's get started. First up, it's all about touch and texture. In 2025, minimalist flooring doesn't have to be boring. Brushed stone, gently ridged wood, and other textured finishes bring depth and sensory appeal to any room. Next, parquet is back, but not in the way you remember it. We're talking oversized patterns and bold layouts that make your floors a conversation starter. If you love open, connected spaces, you'll love this. Using the same flooring indoors and outdoors creates a seamless transition and makes your home feel larger and more in sync with nature. Can't decide on just one flooring type? Good news, you don't have to. The mixed media trend lets you blend wood, tiles, and more for a truly custom look. Curious about which flooring style suits your home best? Take our quick style quiz to find out. Click the link in the description to uncover your perfect design match. Carpets are making a strong comeback with rich textures, bold colors, and even geometric patterns. Say goodbye to boring beige. 2025 is all about comfort with a twist. Want to make a big statement? Vintage-inspired tiles and bold modern patterns are your go-to. These accents not only draw the eye, but can also define different zones within a room. Get the warmth of wood without the maintenance headache. Wood look tiles are durable, stylish, and perfect for areas like kitchens or bathrooms where moisture is a factor. Technology is taking over floors too. From temperature-regulating materials to movement sensors, high-tech flooring turns your surfaces into intelligent parts of your home. Want to make a positive impact while staying stylish? Eco-friendly materials like bamboo, cork, and recycled composites are leading the charge, proving sustainability can be chic. If you just want to keep it simple, that's totally fine. Use a single-tone floor in a neutral palette, and then let your decor do the talking. Bold accents and textures will create all the contrast you need. Want to keep your design game strong? Don't miss our latest video on lighting trends for 2025, because the right lighting makes all the difference. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out, and we'll see you next time.